How to download and save videos from Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. From here, go ahead and tap on the Reels category on top. Now, once you come here, you'll see the arrow option. If you tap on it, you'll see the option of Your Story. Tap on it. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on three dots at the top right corner. From here, you will see the option of Save. So you can tap on it in order to download that video, as by default, Facebook does not have the feature to download videos. So you can follow this easy trick. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.